Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post 4 beauty related videos a week and they're mostly beauty related videos, some Primark related videos like content, but I'm mostly beauty. If that's the kind of thing you're into, then stick around by subscribing down below. In this video we are going to be opening and unboxing this huge Xxcess gift set. Now this retails for £60. I did get it on offer. This is the second time I'm filming this video. For the first time ever, a clip corrupted and half of the video is gone. So I'm just going to film the whole thing again. I had to put everything back in and I took the separators out, so it might not look as it should look. But we're going to go in anyway. So when you open it, it opens up from here. And you've actually got 2 compartments. You've got this one and then you've got a drawer underneath. So we're going to start with the top section, and of course I have to start with this eyeshadow palette in Xxcess Luxe. Now this is just a lovely purple palette, just looks like that. What annoys me about these palettes is the names on the slip, which I really don't like, but these retail usually for £18, and so I got this whole gift set on offer for £45. So I've basically, for a third of it, I've got this. So yeah, please check out Boots and Revolution's websites because the gift sets just keep going on offer, and I just love how velvet the eyeshadow palette is. Like, it's amazing. Then you get 3 eyeshadow brushes. Now they're pink and they say XX on them, and they've got grey, like whatever this is called, grey brush. I'm actually looking forward to using them. Like, this one feels really fluffy, this one feels a bit more stiffer. And then if you saw my chocolate selection box tutorial, you'll know that these shader brushes are good for packing on glitter, so I'm actually got high hopes for these. Then you get 2 glosses. The pink one's called Zero Focus and the peachier one is called Sundown, and they're quite like fat tubes. So the pink one, let me just swatch it for you. They feel like you're gonna have to like double dip your brush in, but that looks amazing. And you know what, I love Xxcess lip products. I have loads of them now, and they don't look glittery, they just look really shiny. So there they both are. They're amazing lip glosses. Then at the top again you get another eyeshadow palette, and you would see that I've got the other 3. This is in Jealousy. It's all like pink and purple related in this box, which I can really like because, you know, pinks and purples are my favourite colours. This shade here looks like a nice duochrome. Like, I'm not sure how well that is going to show up on camera, but it's like a pinky purpley shift. It's really nice, and I like this because there's what, 1, 2, 3, I don't know, I feel like there's a few mattes, and some of them are like satin mattes where they're matte but they've got a little bit of shine to them but just not glitter. So I do like this palette, and I like that it's silver. And oh my god, I have used the black one of these. These are 3 eyeliners. They feel very weighted, very like luxurious. These are their exact eyeliners. You get, I think, a black one. So this is green. It's a very pastel green shade, which I feel like I've got enough pastel colours now in my collection. But this, oh, the black one, I'm telling you, was so pigmented. Then you get a purple one. Again, I've got enough pastel purples in my collection now. I really don't need to be buying any more eyeliners, but I do want to get the Beauty Bay, like I want to complete all my Beauty Bay collection by getting their eyeliners. Finally, the black one. That was literally like, watch this. It's so black, it's so good. Now I have a thing of light eyeliner just runs on me, but this doesn't run as quickly. So that is the top half complete. We're just gonna open the bottom bit, and let's see if I can show you without dropping everything. Oh, my dog dropping a bauble. First you get this big Xxcess like makeup bag. It is humongous. This is the type of bag that you can travel with brushes. I don't travel a lot, but I think this will be something I use if I travel to Cyprus anytime soon. I'll just put all my makeup brushes in, but I don't wear that much makeup when I'm in Cyprus just because it was so hot. But this is humongous. Then you get this Equinox spray, and it's got like gold glitter in it. This mist is so nice. Like when I sprayed it, it's got like a citrus scent to it, and it just makes your skin that much glowy. It's so good, I'm telling you. It reminds me of like a nice citrusy perfume that I've had when I was younger, but look, it just makes your skin more glowy. And I must admit, Xxcess sprays are amazing. Like, I would highly recommend going out and buying them, because I have this Xxcess quick fix spray, but now that I have this one, I actually don't need to replace this one just yet, because it's like half full, and I never ever use a setting spray that much. But this is amazing, so I have huge hopes for this spray. Then we have this little distortion face palette, which just looks like this. You get a bronzer, highlight and blush. Now, I don't like the fact that they put these into gift sets, because not everyone can use them, unless you're going to make a gift set that is catered to one skin tone, and then they have an option of buying light to medium, medium to dark, or dark to deeper, like whatever. But I feel like these are really annoying, because if someone really wants this that is of a fairer or a darker skin tone, they're not going to get much use out of them. Like, I feel like I can just about get use out of this palette. It is a lovely palette. Like, the highlight is very me. It's like a champagne gold. But it is just something that not everyone is going to get use out of. So there they are. It is lovely. I love that highlight. Like, I can use this palette. I feel like I could get away with it, but not everyone can. And it is a cute little palette as well though. This is a lovely little mirror. Now, I finally have two mirrors. This is kind of the shape it comes in, but I don't want to blind you. I have two mirrors, which means I don't need any more mirrors. All these gift sets always come with a mirror, but if you're like me and you like to collect these gift sets, then it's going to be really annoying. But yeah, it's a lovely mirror, lovely package, because I use, I can't find it, the iHeart Revolution one, and I love it. It's so mini, but I feel like I'll give one to my little sister, because to be fair, two is really the most, like one in one bag, one in another bag that you might use. But my little sister might like the iHeart Revolution one. I feel like this looks just that little bit more luxurious, and because it's got a packet, well, it's not really gonna smash, but knowing me, it might smash. So yeah, I do love this. And last but not least, we have a highlighter. So the packaging is blinding you, but this is in the shade Xxcess Luster, and these are so soft and creamy. It feels amazing. It feels like the Colourpop cream to powder ones, and it's just so shiny. I cannot wait to try this. I'm like really impressed with it. I just can't believe how super soft this is, and it's a lovely gold, like a peachier gold shade. And Xxcess stuff is Revolution's sister brand, and it's amazing. It's meant to be like skincare in makeup, and I must admit, I do love the Xxcess stuff the most. Like, it's a good like brand. It's not affordable, but it's not too high end. Very luxurious. Spend a lot more money into that brand, and you can really tell the packaging is always on point. And yeah, I just love this gift set. I would recommend it for £45. I would definitely recommend it. Even £60, I would definitely recommend it. You get quite a lot of like good products in here. The brushes look like they're going to be good. The eyeshadow palettes are probably going to be amazing. The lip glosses are going to be good. The highlighters are going to be amazing. The face palette looks like it's going to be good. So I will be doing like a full face testing the box in my next video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please smash a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below. It probably is quick now because I've spoken about these products for the second time now. So yeah, it's not going to be as long as I hope this video will be. But I will see you next time. Bye guys.